It's always a joy to walk around the garden this time of year and see what's emerging. And I'm particularly excited about what's going on here with Miss Big Fig. Look at those little fig leaves already coming out. Now, Miss Big Fig came through 6 degrees. That was pretty cold this winter, so I'm happy to see this new foliage. Now, if you love the flavor of figs as much as I do, you're going to love this recipe from my friend Regina Charboneau.
This is one of my favorite go-to recipes. It's a fig and walnut torta. I love it because it can be made ahead and put in the freezer. So it's very simple, not even that many ingredients. I always soften my butter and my cream cheese. I let them get to room temperature so they're easier to whip. So I have 1 stick of butter. I cut into thirds. And it's nice and soft, so I know it's going to be easy to whip. And then I have the cream cheese. So I'm going to do for this one 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese, and you can buy a 4-ounce, but I'm just going to cut this one in half. So it's basically 20 ounces of cream cheese. And I add a 1/4 cup of sour cream. And then I'm just going to use a hand mixer. Push it down a little bit. Now that I have it whipped, it's the perfect consistency, and I take about half of it and I put it in I spray my springform pan with oil, and then just take this. And I do a turning motion to get it smooth. It's one of those things you can't go wrong any way you do it. You want to make sure you have it smooth so there are no air bubbles in it. And then I take my fig jam, put it in the center. And then I just kind of tilt it a little bit. And then top it. And it's okay if you get a little fig jam mixed in on the top, because you're going to actually turn this upside down, so it won't show. And then I'm going to wrap this with plastic wrap and put it in the freezer. Okay. So what I love about this is when you go to unmold it, it holds its shape. If you've ever tried to unmold soft cream cheese that's not frozen, you'll get your fingers all in it and you'll have dents, but this way you get a nice product. And I just take a little knife to take this off, and you have a pretty presentation. The other thing that's great about this dish is you can use any filling you want. You can do hot pepper jelly or pesto, but it's a very versatile appetizer. If I'm having a dinner party, I'll take it out the night before or earlier in the day and let it just thaw in the refrigerator. And when you're ready to serve it, you just put walnuts on top and serve it with crackers.